Hi, today we'll be learning how to perform simple percussion rudiments, the difference between holding your sticks correctly and incorrectly, and how to effectively learn and memorize percussion parts. So the difference between holding your sticks correctly and incorrectly, the correct way to hold your sticks is to line up your thumb and index finger on the stick and then curl the rest of your fingers down. That's match grip. I see most people either come too far up on their sticks or they'll be too far down, which is why I taped mine. Mine come just below the T in Vic Firth. So I grab just below the tape and curl my fingers down. So the difference in stick height is the amount you raise your sticks from the pad. This would be 3 inches, 6 inches, 9, 12. I'm going to be performing a simple 8-to-1 rhythm that can be easily learned. I'll put it up on screen, and I'm performing this at 140 BPM. So today we have learned how to effectively break down and learn percussion rudiments, the difference between stick heights, and how to hold your sticks correctly and incorrectly.